how to change WordPress theme without losing content. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can change the WordPress theme without losing the content of your website. So without any further delay or ado, let's get started with today's video. If you want to change the WordPress theme of your website but without losing the content, it is a simple process that you have to understand. The first is that identify what kind of website you have, because if you have a resume website that has a resume theme, you have to change the theme to another resume theme. If you have an e-commerce website, use and change it to e-commerce theme. So if you have e-commerce, you cannot use blogger theme because that is going to mess with all your products that you've uploaded. So if it's a blogging website, then you have to choose a blogging theme. So in my case, it is just a random website that I created for this video, but depending upon what kind of website you have, on the left hand side, go to appearance and simply search for the new theme. So let's say my website is about blogging. I'll simply search for blogging themes right there. I'll see all the available free and personal blogging themes. So make sure to choose a simple one that doesn't have a whole lot of modifications. Then you can just click on the activate button to activate that theme without losing its content. So I hope this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, do feel free to leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.